Hi, it's Albert from Reshape. In this video I'll show you how to clean the device using cleaning mode. We recommend performing a shallow clean once a week, although the exact cleaning schedule should follow your lab's SOPs and protocols. Make sure the device is showing the green ready state. Remove all magazines from the carousels, then remove the carousels themselves. Wipe down the external surfaces and the carousels using ethanol or chlorine, following your lab's approved cleaning guide and procedures. Press and hold the primary button for 3 seconds. The device will enter cleaning mode and the status lights will change to yellow. The machine will automatically reposition its internal components to make them easier to clean. After about 3 seconds, the device is ready to open. Lift the top just like opening the hood of a car to access the inside of the machine. Remove the internal rotors and wipe them down. Now we'll clean the internal surfaces according to your lab's procedure. And it's that simple. Once you've cleaned the device, it's time to reinstall the rotors. We close the top. Now we press down on the stayers. Now we're ready to remount the carousels. Finally, we press the primary button to return to the ready state. And that's it.